Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which the President of the Republic of India has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of the Republic of India to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the Government and the people of the Republic of India our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.